to my channel. It's your girl, Nay. If you are new, welcome, beautiful, and if you are old, hello, gorgeous. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm in my PJs again because I couldn't sleep. I have another unboxing to do that I've waited like since Friday to open. Today's Sunday at like 11 o'clock at night, okay, and I was dreaming about it. So this bag, I bought it for myself. I had like a really bad impulse buy. Like, I was like, you know how you have impulse buy, like impulse, like all of a sudden, like you see something, but oh, I need that, but you really don't need it, and then like the next day you be like, dang, did I just impulse buy? So that's what this was. But again, we're just gonna get into it and just enjoy it, okay? Because what that thing say on Instagram, my toxic trait is seeing something that I want and buying it. Like I'm always gonna buy it, okay? So let's just get into the unboxing. And then before that, again, go follow me on Lady Lux if you are interested in luxury goods, luxury sourcing, or exclusive luxury items. I can go ahead and help you find those items, and also I'll just be posting really cute stuff all the time. So if you love luxury items, go follow at Lady Lux on Instagram. I think that's the name. It's really new, like I haven't even uploaded anything yet, but yeah. So I can't show you the other side of my box because it's my address and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm excited more because like this one is for me, y'all. And I just wanted to say, as I'm smiling, like, shout out to my orthodontist. You're a real one. And my dentist. But yeah, so I got scissors, but looking at the box, I don't need no scissors. So, and that's the one good thing I ordered from them. It's like the so easy, like boom, okay, boom, boom. Okay. So you open the box. This is what it looks like. I'll show you. Hold on, the address is gonna be on the side. Let me just don't look. Because what y'all will not do is stalk me, okay? Not but for real. I had a stalker. And I'm not gonna play with another crazy nigga again. So y'all cannot see my information. And then it says Louis Vuitton on the actual box. Yeah. So yeah, on the cardboard box. So then I open my box. I open. Don't let them be falling, okay? This was my impulse buy, y'all. Can we just look at the box for a moment? It's giving what it was supposed to give, okay? It's not messed up like my last unboxing, because poo, they had me all the way bent. Like, girl, do you think I paid whatever I paid for a messed up box too? I don't care. Like, yeah. So this is, normally it's like your receipt about the bag in here. So it has a return shipping label just in case like I didn't like the bag or something like that. They always send that so you don't have to go through the hassle. A gift receipt here. If it was for like you bought a gift for somebody, they have supplied me a gift receipt to give to somebody. But I really don't even know who I love that much, so no, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. And then there's a little message in there because obviously I left myself a message. Can you guys see that? Man. Well, it says, I love you, beautiful, XOXO. Because I love myself. So if you don't love yourself, I'm sorry. And it's unfortunate. I think the wording was supposed to go on this side, but they printed it on the wrong side, like it was printed in the printer incorrectly, but whatever. Exchanges and returns, blah blah blah. Don't need that. I think I paid like 18 something. Then you have a little postcard. Louis Vuitton, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials and packed with the utmost care following strict sanitary guidelines, okay? Please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfumes, hand sanitizers, or disinfectants, as they can damage leather and canvas products. Find our complete care instructions on LouisVuitton.com, okay? That's on it. I feel like I read that kind of fast. But this is just giving you guys the whole experience, like if you've never purchased from them. I think when I did my last unboxing from Louis Vuitton, I didn't really do that, so yeah. So before I open the box, because y'all know I don't even really want to open it yet. I don't want to open it. It's so pretty. And if I recall last time, because it's like, so you can put like, if it was a gift again, like you can put, oh, I love so-and-so. So obviously, if you know me, I'm not gonna untie the bow. I'm gonna strategically slide it off, okay? So then I can slide it back on. Woo! Slide. Cause like, my bow is not gonna look this nice. So then I gotta remember, this one was the long ways, and this one was that way. So I can get it back on. So now we got a naked box. Is Louis Vuitton. Okay. I'm so excited about this package. I really waited to open it with y'all, but y'all don't know how hard this was, okay? Okay. And obviously I mean, if you're watching this video, sorry, you probably watched an unboxing video of like another Louis Vuitton. So as you know, it comes in a dust bag. Their standard dust bag. Here it goes. I feel like they almost could have given me a bigger box, but okay. And now for the golden hour. There she goes. There she goes. I don't know what to name her yet, but there she goes. There goes my baby. Ooh, girl, look at you. Okay, but so I feel like they should have put it in a bigger bag, because like as you can see, it was slightly folded. This is the Neverfull GM. I'm probably gonna go get like a hot stamper here, or buy like a something so I can get it hot stamped. Obviously, if you know me, or if you know anything about me, you can guess the inside color of the bag. Well, maybe you can't, because they're like, it would be between two colors. So I decided to not be like basic, like Urban. Oh, so okay. Let's look at it again. So this is the bag, and it feels super nice, and I love how thick the straps are on this purse. And I got pink. I almost went with red, because like y'all know red is like one of my favorite colors. But also pink is one of my favorite colors, so it's really torn. And it came available online, and I really didn't have enough time to make a split decision like that. But I figured like so many people got red, so I was like, I don't want to get red because I don't want to be like these basic clothes. So I got pink. And I got the PM because I feel like the PM, whatever. The bigger one is just too big for me. Like this right here, like if I stand up in my PJs right now, I feel like this is the perfect size. Okay, this is a perfect size. So like I said, they got pink. And like if you just look at all the little gold hardwares everywhere, everything looks like just super good quality. And I'm gonna call them to see if I could go get a bigger box, because this box is not cutting it. I do not like my stuff folded up. So on the inside, it says Louis Vuitton, and articles of de voyage. Maison fondée en 1854, or what is that? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. I don't know, I was trying to say the numbers for you, but I'm having a brain fart. I think I'm too excited. And then inside, included with the purse, if I can get it out, you have a little pouch. Okay. Give me a second. I feel like it's supposed to... Why is it just... I feel like when I seen it at the store, it got like a little... where you can loop it like that. But yeah, I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna look online, yeah. But, or maybe I have to buy an extra piece. Maybe I'm not seeing something. Let me look at it again. Okay. Here's the strap. You normally have like a strap, and then you go loop it. Oh, I figured it out. So this goes. You got it, guys. I think. But that feels really big. But like if you see this right here, you can put something and then it'll loop and then it'll be like that. So you can either use this or whatever. Inside of this one, obvious, this is super just like, I can wear this in the back, I can wear this, like I can wear this just by itself, like as a little pouch, a little wristlet, there we go. I can wear this as a wristlet. Inside the bag, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, pink, again. And I'm really happy that I went with pink. I don't think I've ever seen like the pink one. I always see the red one or the cream one. So yeah. And this feels like heavy, like compared to my other bag, like the quality on this, I don't know, obviously it's bigger, but like this feels like a little thick. I don't know if it's because the material, my other bag doesn't have any material on the inside. Okay, Neverfull MM. Okay, it says MM, blah, blah, blah. The color is in here. And that's what's in here. I'm gonna go put this back in the inside and we can just look at the details together. Just give me a moment. Un momento. Okay. And then just like in here, like just look at the detail, like on the back, like look at the resolution, like she is a bad. I feel like my impulse buy was a good decision. I was like looking between this one and the square, but I kind of with the little squares, but I kind of prefer this one more. I'm really like, I need this, and I need to get one of those purse organizers so that, like I like my bag to be full out, like I like it to be the shape that it's supposed to be. Like it is now, but I feel like if I start putting stuff in it, it may like the shape may be kind of like hanging one side too much. So like I want to put like a purse organizer so it'll like shape it out. No matter what's in the bag, it'll always still have this shape. But yeah, that is her. Say hello, baby. What should we name her? Like if you know me, I name everything in my closet. I name my car, I name my shoes. Not everything, but I name like my cars, my shoes, and my purses. They all got a name, okay? Not so much the shoes. No, yeah, not so much the shoes, because the shoes already come with a name, but I feel like I name my purses, so, and my cars more than anything. But if it's like a shoe I really love, I just must say these straps are so thick. Like I could just tell this is gonna last me a lifetime. Like the thickness on here, and y'all want me to say what I was gonna say? Okay, the thickness on here, cause I see girls walk around with You know, they be like, why got my LV bag? Why got my LV bag? And I be like feeling it, and I be like, dudes don't feel like they would make it like that. But I mean, like, I don't got one, so I'm not the judge to say your bag is a knockoff, because like your shop saying hitting the way they supposed to hit. But now that I actually have my own, I can feel them and I can say, girl, that was a knockoff, okay? I'm gonna need y'all to stop perpetrating. Like, one thing about it, for me, whatever you do is on your own, okay? Like, whatever you do is your life, but like, for me, I feel like if you can't afford it, don't get it. Don't try to go get a knockoff. Like, who is you trying to impress? Like, for me, it just don't make no sense. Like, if I can't afford something, like, I'm not gonna buy it. And I'm not gonna buy a fake one. That's kind of like, that's how I see it. Like, we talk about designers taking off, ripping off other designers, like you're stealing from the black community, you're copying this, or you're copying these small brands, these big companies. But then you go right around and do the same thing, you buy a fake designer bag. So it's like, that's their design, that's their signature, but then you're gonna go wear a fake one. That, and then two, just like, if you ain't got it, you ain't got it, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. Like, there's really, for me, there's nothing to be ashamed of. Like, for me, I don't care what nobody thinks. Like, I could go wear my Nikes, my Vans, whatever. I don't need to have designer this, designer that. And then even when I do have one designer, I don't need it to say designer, because I don't need nobody to know what I got on. Like, what I got on ain't trying to impress you. Like, I do me. And boo, you does you. Okay? If you don't like me because I'm not wearing designer, that's on you, poo. That remind me, like, what was that? What I smashed or passed? Those videos that was going around on TikTok or on YouTube. Like, what was really blowing my mind? They walk up to somebody and be like, I smashed because you got on Christian Dior shoes. Like, so is you saying I'm ugly, but since I got on expensive shoes, you gonna smash me because what I got on? Like, that don't make no sense to me. Like, it's about the person on the inside, like the person, what they look like, what is the inside. I don't care about none of the material things. Like, stuff can be built. Like, a person can be grinding, and you ain't supposed to spend your money, waste your money on stuff that you don't need, okay? This is just a little rant for y'all, because like, I get really frustrated with the way society and social media makes everybody feel like if they ain't got this, they life ain't right, or they ain't doing something right in life. No, it don't mean that at all. Like, and y'all gotta stop letting these influencers like influence y'all so heavily, like where y'all feel bad about yourself because y'all don't got something. It's not that deep. Like, and just wait on it. Like, your time will come. Everybody's time will come, like, with hard work and all of that. Like, your time will come. Like, I promise you. Like, yeah, I just really needed to say that, because like, it be bothering me. And half of these people on Instagram, y'all see, really ain't even got no money. They sitting here trying to give y'all an image that they think y'all want to see, and they think that's lit. Just to like, cause like, you know, when you see somebody doing good, that's when people want to follow you, because they think, oh, how did they do this? But half the time they ain't even got it like that. So that's just a little lesson. I'm sorry to rant, because this video was supposed to be so short. But again, let's say cheese. That's gonna be my what you call it? But again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video. Again, my name is And I just want to say thank you to all you beautiful people for watching my story and staying, like, just keeping me going along the way. I'm seeing y'all comments, I'm responding, and I really appreciate like the conversation you guys are giving me and the feedback. So that's much appreciated. I hope that you guys continue to follow me on this journey, and I hope that if you're new, that you do subscribe, comment, like, all of that, okay? And all of y'all, like, comment, subscribe, all of that, okay? Tell your friend, tell your mama, tell everybody, okay? But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.